In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your last name and page number in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful for school essays, reports, or any formal document where you need your name and page numbers on every page, usually in the top right corner. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Word. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure you've already typed at least part of your paper so you can see how the header will look with real content. Now, move your mouse to the very top of the page, in the margin area. Double-click in that top space. This opens the header section, which is where we're going to place your last name and page number. Once the header is active, your main text will appear faded, and you'll see new options on the toolbar, usually under something like Header and Footer, or Header and Footer Tools. Now we're going to insert the page number first. On the toolbar, look for the option called Page Number. Click it, then hover over Top of Page. From the list of built-in styles, choose the option that places the number on the right side. You should now see a number, usually starting at 1, appear in the top right corner of your header. With the page number in place, click just before that number. Use the left arrow key if needed until your cursor is directly in front of the number. Now type your last name, and then add a space so there's a little gap between your name and the page number. You should now see your last name followed by the page number, like Last Name 1, aligned to the right. Take a moment to check the formatting. Make sure the font and size match the rest of your document, typically something like Times New Roman, 12 point, if you're following common academic styles. If you need to change it, highlight the text in the header, then use the usual font controls on the toolbar. When you're happy with how it looks, close the header. You can do this by double-clicking back in the main body of your document, or by clicking Close Header and Footer on the toolbar. Scroll through your document and you'll see your last name and the correct page number automatically appear on every page. And that's all there is to it.